Alright, hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this one, I'm actually just going to show you guys how our hardcover lid does fit underneath the soft cover. And we have it covered up right now. So I'm going to go ahead and uncover it for you guys and show you how it does fit. It fits right underneath there, like so. And our hardcover does hang on the back too, on both rear grease and side grease models. Just like that. Our hardcover does have the wood handle on it, and it's on the front, so it's really easy to lift on and off the griddle like this. Just like that. And then when you're done cooking, you just cover it back up. So we got the Blackstone soft cover here. You cover it up just like this. Just like that. And if you have any questions at all about our hardcovers, go ahead and leave us a comment or send us an email or check out our website at www.griddleguard.com, and we'll see you in the next video.